Hi everyone, it's Matt from Powell. Today I'm going to talk about our Bleach Filter Test Kit. Our Bleach Filter Test Kit is based on time and measuring the flow of bleach through a filter paper to determine the presence of contaminants. Although this does not give you a precise measurement of contaminants such as nickel, copper, or iron in the bleach, the longer it takes to filter your bleach is a direct correlation to contaminants within the bleach. So our filter test kit comes complete with a vacuum pump, heavy-duty PVC tubing, a vacuum gauge, individual filter papers, 0.65 micron, the flask and the filter paper holder, and a heavy-duty Pelican shipping case. It's assembled as you see here. Bleach is poured into this flask when the vacuum pump is running, and your bleach should go through this filter paper in less than 5 minutes for 1 liter of bleach. When you're done, the filter paper will have different colors on it depending on discoloration of your bleach. Full instructions are included. Examples of what contaminated filter papers might look like are on the back. All this information is at our new website, powellsolutions.com, and you can like our YouTube channel and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you.